Posing.
We're so sick and tired of everyone thinking I'm just a little boy. I'm not a little boy. I'm a big boy. I'm a big man. Big dog. Top dog in this house. Woof woof. You know? BRB.
Wait, don't do all that.
Name something that might be curvy.
Me. Oh, about
Oh, got your butthole. How do you even grab a butthole? I don't know, but I got yours. So come on down to Target and get 5% off with the red card or something.
Oh, my bedtime reminder.
Hi, I'm Lindsay Lohan, and I love the taste of alcohol.
Should we trust the test?
Yes, Queen Slay.
Slay.
Slay your enemies.
I know this one.